The Canadian Agricultural Partnership encourages competitiveness, prosperity, and sustainability in Canada's agri-food and agri-products sector. Gillian Flies and Brent Preston started the new farm 15 years ago in Creemore, Ontario, on the crest of the Niagara Escarpment. A certified organic heirloom vegetable operation, the new farm grows and processes vegetables and salad mixes for 100 different restaurants and 20 retail stores. The new farm also hosts education and food industry events to promote local and regenerative farming. But to maintain the new farm's pace of growth, the business needs to embrace a new level of food safety protocols and infrastructure. Working with the partnership, Flies explains how they're tackling innovative projects to make their business more sustainable, meet the increasing demands of customers, and grow profits.
This partnership came at exactly the right time for our farm. We started out on a quarter acre growing vegetables. And to give you an idea of scale, we're now at around 50,000 pounds of greens that we cut and hand wash every year. And so, as you can imagine, we had a small processing facility to start, and we've completely outgrown it. So in order to allow us to process more vegetables and continue to grow, but also to stay in step with our distributors and our customers who are demanding more stringent food safety protocols, this new facility will allow us to enter the GAP food safety program and have all of the certifications we need going forward.
Flies credits the partnership application process with helping identify food safety requirements, fine-tune their ideas, and put them into action.
The partnership funding application process was very clear and user-friendly. So we started out by attending a workshop. We were also able to have direct conversations with staff at Soil and Crop who were incredibly helpful. And then one of the exciting pieces of this particular funding, it has allowed us to take on a consultant from the GAP Food Safety Program, which was our ultimate goal, to help guide us through the type of equipment and infrastructure requirements that we would need to meet the food safety standard.
With the right advice and funding support, the new farm set out to reorganize and expand the processing system and meet requirements for Canada GAP certification.
We had to start from the ground up when we were re-envisioning our business going forward and our wash and pack facility needs, as well as our food safety program. And so what this entailed is that we needed to work with a GAP food safety consultant to ensure that we were going to meet those standards coming out the other end. And what we did for this project is we ended up putting in a whole second wash and pack line. We were able to upgrade our wash sinks, our water filtration system, our commercial salad spinners. We now have a centralized table that is designed for the work that we do. And we also put in a big walk-in cooler that is palletized and can triple our capacity for storage.
The ability to meet elevated food safety standards has also allowed the new farm to maintain their growth targets through the challenges of COVID-19. When restaurants were shut down, they were able to move more product through retail stores.
This project has been one of the most impactful things we've done on our farm. It has helped us in so many ways. The first thing that it has done is allowed us to have all of the equipment and infrastructure that we need to enroll in the GAP Food Safety Program. It has at the same time given us the capacity to grow our business by up to 300%. And really unexpectedly this past year, it allowed us to easily meet the public health guidelines around COVID and food safety and social distancing.
Flies believes working with the partnership has made the new farm more resilient and positioned the business for continued growth.
We started our farm on half an acre 15 years ago, and we would have never guessed that today we would be cutting about 50,000 pounds of hand-cut greens a year. And this facility allows us to increase our capacity and access new customers, and our future growth is unlimited.
The Canadian Agricultural Partnership is a 5-year federal, provincial, territorial initiative. Cost share funding is administered to producers by the Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association.